In today's video, we are talking about something that a lot of you have been asking for. This is actually one of the most demanded topics on our channel. So keeping those requested in mind, today we will explain the Aditya Birla Activ Max Plus plan. So what they offer, who they are suitable for, and the key things you should know. So if this plan is on your mind, so stay with me till the end of this video. And if you are looking for a health insurance plan that not only pay hospital bills but also supports your lifestyle and offer long-term medical protection, so this video is going to be extremely useful for you. So in this detailed review, we will covering eligibility criteria, key features, unique benefits, add-ons, waiting periods, premiums, examples, and I will share my honest opinion on whether this plan is actually worth considering. So before we move ahead, let me introduce myself. So hi, I am Mariam and I represent PolicyHub, and at PolicyHub we make insurance simple and easy to understand. And at PolicyHub we don't explain health insurance as just another policy. We explain it as a long-term medical security decision. So instead of simply reading out of features from brochures, we break down plans using real-life medical situations. So you understand how a policy actually works at the time of claim and how much support you can realistically expect. So if you want expert guidance based on your age, family profile, medical history and budget, you can always book your free consultation with us, and link is given in the description. You can also explore us on Instagram, Facebook, where we regularly share insurance awareness content. And for viewers who prefer detailed explanation in Hindi, we also have a dedicated Hindi channel, and the link is given in the description, and you can see the channel name on the screen. Let's begin with the company's background, hospital network and claim experience, because these factors ultimately decides how reliable any health insurance plan really is. So Aditya Birla Health Insurance is a joint venture between Aditya Birla Capital and South Africa's Momentum Group, and the insurer is not limited to just paying medical claims. It strongly focuses on prevention and wellness. Its flagship active health ecosystem encourages a healthy lifestyle through fitness, preventive care and rewards. So policy holders can earn health return by maintaining healthy habits, which make this insurer quite different from traditional health insurance companies. From a claim support and accessibility point of view, Aditya Birla Health Insurance has a strong presence across India, and with over 10,000 plus network hospital, it's offering cashless hospitalization, and this make treatment more convenient in both urban and semi-urban locations. And the company's claim settlement ratio stand at 92.9%, and it's indicating a balanced, a customer-centric approach toward claims. So with this strong foundation, the Active One Max Plus plan is positioned as a premium offering. Let's understand how this plan handles rising medical costs and whether it can effectively manage real-life hospital expenses. So starting with the eligibility, the minimum entry age for adults is 18 years, and there is no maximum entry age limit, which is a big advantage. This means even senior citizens or people planning to buy insurance later in life can opt for this plan. Dependent children can be covered from 91 days and up to 25 years under a family floater policy. The plan is available in both individuals and family floater option, and the family definition is quite broad, covering spouse, children, parents and even parents-in-law. So overall, the eligibility criteria are flexible and inclusive. Now let's talk about the core feature that make this plan strong. So the base sum insured range is very wide, starting from a 5 lakh rupees and going up to 6 crore, which make it future ready in the face of medical inflation. Hospitalization expenses such as room rent, ICU charges, daycare treatments, modern procedures, mental illness, HIV, AIDS and obesity treatments all are covered on an actual basis. A clear sign of a premium category plan. And pre-hospitalization expenses are covered for 90 days and post-hospitalization expenses for 180 days, which is better than standard industry norms. And moving on, the unique benefits that truly differentiate the Active One Max Plus plan. So one of the biggest highlight is Aditya Birla Health Management Program, which includes health assessment and health returns. Through health returns, you can earn back up to 100% of your premium by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. And this is an innovative concept because it motivates policyholders to stay healthy rather than treating insurance as something to use only during illness. Annual health checkups are also available on a listed and cashless basis, making them practical and easy to use. And another major strength of this plan is the super reload and super credit benefit. Super reload means that if your base sum insured gets exhausted due to a claim, the insurer restores the sum insured unlimited times during the policy year without any extra charge. And super credit provides a 100% bonus on the base sum insured every year and up to a maximum of 500%, regardless of whether a claim is made. So over the long term, this feature significantly boosts your coverage and is available only in a few premium plans in the market. And the plan also covers durable medical equipment such as ventilators, wheelchairs, and oxygen concentrators up to 5 lakh rupees, which can be extremely helpful during the recovery phase after hospitalization. So overall, this plan goes beyond basic hospitalization and feels more like a complete health ecosystem. Now let's discuss the add-on option, which offer extensive customization. So you can reduce the pre-existing disease waiting period from 3 years to 2 years or even 1 year. And similarly, the waiting period for specific disease can be reduced from 2 years to 1 year. Through room rent add-ons, you can customize your room category including single private AC room, and deductible option of 15,000 and 25,000 are also available to help control your premium. And there is also a preferred provide network discount where using network hospital can help reduce your premium. And this is a useful cost saving feature for those who prefer treatment at city based hospitals. And the another option rider is critical illness. So the critical illness add-on offers a lump sum payout ranging from 10 lakh to 25 lakh, and if any listed critical illness is diagnosed. So this can significantly reduce financial stress during serious medical condition. And the personal accident add-on covers accidental death and permanent disability, which coverage option from 10 lakh to 50 lakh, and making it a strongly recommended add-on. And one of the most impactful add-on is the chronic care add-on, where waiting period for listed chronic such as diabetes, hypertension, asthma, COPD, obesity, and heart-related disease are waived. This means no waiting period for these conditions if the add-on is opted for, and making it a game changer for chronic patient. And the chronic management OPD add-on further supports regular doctor visits and disease management on a cashless basis. There is also cancer booster add-on, and it's covering cancer related pre and post hospitalization expenses and daycare treatments up to the sum insured. And another unique rider is compassionate visit benefit. It covers two-way travel expenses up to 50,000 if hospitalization exceeds 10 days, and it's offering emotional and financial support for families during long hospital stays. And the second medical opinion add-on allow expert consultation for major illnesses, which can be crucial for informed decision making. And lastly, an annual cancer screening add-on provides up to 10,000 per member per policy year for ongoing monitoring. So these add-ons make the plan highly suitable for people who want personalized and long-term medical coverage beyond basic insurance. And now coming to waiting periods, pre-existing disease have a standard waiting period of 3 years, specific disease have a 2 years waiting period, and there is an initial waiting period of 30 days except for accidental hospitalization. And the good part is that many of these waiting periods can be reduced through optional covers, and which is excellent for long-term planning. Let's talk about premiums. For a family floater with a 10 lakh sum insured at age 30 years and 25 years, the annual premium is approximately 21,611 in Zone 1 and 19,973 in Zone 2 and 14,923 in Zone 3. So for an individual age 25 year with the same sum insured, premium are around 13,509 in Zone 1, 12,447 in Zone 2 and 11,384 in Zone 3. And it's considering the extensive feature and high coverage, and the pricing aligns with the premium category positioning. After going through the Activ 1 Max Plus plan in detail, it's clear that Aditya Birla Health Insurance has positioned this as a premium future-ready health insurance plan rather than a basic hospitalization cover. This plan is designed for people who want more than just bill payment during a medical emergency. It's for those who are looking at health insurance as a long-term medical protection strategy. So what I genuinely like about Aditya Birla Activ 1 Max Plus plan is its overall balance between coverage, flexibility and wellness. The wide sum insured range going up to 6 crore make it extremely relevant in today's high medical inflation environment, and the fact that most hospital expenses are covered on an actual basis without restrictive sublimits shows that this plan is meant to support real life hospital bills, not just look good on paper. And the super reload and super credit feature are among the strongest highlight of this plan. Unlimited restoration of sum insured and a no claim bonus that can grow coverage up to 500% give this policy serious long-term value. And over the year, this can make a huge difference, especially for families or individuals who want their coverage to grow automatically without constantly upgrading their policy. And another area where Activ 1 Max Plus clearly stand out is its wellness and prevention focus, and the health returns concept is genuinely innovative. It's rewarding policyholder for staying healthy rather than using insurance only during illnesses, while earning backup up to 100% of the premium sounds attractive. And the bigger benefit is the mindset shift it encourages towards preventive healthcare. From a customization perspective, this plan offers one of the widest range of add-ons in the market. So whether it's reducing waiting periods, managing chronic conditions without waiting, adding OPD supports, or enhancing cancer and critical illness coverage, you can tailor this plan very closely to your medical needs. And the chronic care and chronic management OPD add-on in particular are extremely valuable for people with lifestyle related conditions where most traditional plans fall short. And premium wise, this is not a budget plan and it does not try to be one. The premium clearly reflects its position. So however, when you compare the premium with the feature, restoration benefit, bonus structure, wellness ecosystem, durable equipments, and the cost feels justified for people who value comprehensive coverage and long-term security. So this plan may not be ideal for everyone. So if you are looking for the lowest possible premium or a very basic health insurance policy, Activ 1 Max Plus may feel excessive. Some benefits like health returns and advanced add-ons, durable medical equipment required active participation to exact full value. So it works best for people who are proactive about their health. So who would consider this plan? So Activ 1 Max Plus is the best suited for young professionals, families and health conscious individuals who want a higher cover, feature rich policy that grows with them over time. And it also an excellent option for people with chronic condition who want coverage without long waiting period, and for those planning long-term medical security rather than short-term savings. So Aditya Birla Activ 1 Max Plus is a well thought out premium health insurance plan that combines strong hospitalization coverage, powerful restoration benefit and a modern wellness approach. If your goal is long-term medical protection with flexibility and preventive care support, and you are comfortable paying a slightly higher premium, this plan is definitely worth serious consideration. I hope this video clears your all doubts, and if it is, then do like it, share it and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.